What up, kids? So, I have a couple requests. I guess I could say. Yeah. I'm really sick right now. Well, I mean, like, yesterday my voice was, like, really nasty. I've been sick for, like, four days. So I missed a couple days of school. And I know on my main account I said I was gonna go to. Oh, yeah, sorry. When you're bored. To a horse show, but I ended up not going because I'm sick and I'm not allowed. I mean, I would still horse show, obviously, but I'm not allowed because my trainer thinks it's dangerous, which it is, which I understand. And my mom's like, "Oh hell no, oh hell no." Sorry guys for the strange voices. So yeah, so basically I've been watching all these like I don't know these like drama things like Degrassi. I've been like catching up on all my Jersey Shores because I've been basically like, okay, I've been sleeping so much too and laying at home doing nothing because I'm not allowed to do anything when I'm sick. And actually, all my family just left for a party. I think I probably just got half of them sick from coughing on them. But, yeah, since I'm really sick right now, you guys should form spring me because I'm really lonely right now because my parents are cleaning up from the party because my family just left literally like 20 minutes ago. And my brother just went out with his friends to get some pizza, and he's gonna bring me some pizza home. So yeah, form spin me, please. Please only do horse questions tonight though, because I don't feel like doing like questions about my school life and stuff. Um, yeah, but good news. Even when I do sell, I mean, when Betsy sells, I'm still probably gonna do Simon in itty bitties. And when I do get my new horse, I'm gonna do him in some of the shows still, because my trainer said I can. That was unattractive. No news on any ponies yet that I can ride. Besides, Mo finally came, but I didn't get to ride him because the little girl needed a lesson. But I want to ride him this week. Yeah, ask me about Mo if you don't know who Mo is on my form spring. Ask me about, there's been some mad drama on form spring lately. Not with me, but with other people who I follow. If you talk about that too, I would love to answer questions about that. I'll probably upload. Happy birthday, everyone! Go check out my friend Katie. DHS73095. It was her birthday. It was her birthday. Sorry, I'm making really unattractive faces. It was her birthday yesterday, and Katie, I'm still working on your video. That should probably be up during the week, but I don't feel like editing right now because I'm kind of sick. So that'll be up during the week. And I want you to all subscribe to DHS73095. And I will probably have a video up today. Because it's already done. It's already saved on my computer. I just have to upload it if I feel like it. But I have to change computers. So I don't know if I feel like doing because I don't feel well. I have a headache. And I'm coughing. But coughing's not a problem. Because I can cough my guts out. I don't care. I puked yesterday. Even though I have a virus. But like not a stomach virus. Like a throat virus or whatever the person said. I don't know. I puked. But I don't want to tell you what I puked out because it's kind of nasty. So yeah, I'm really upset that I got to not do the horse show because I think me and Simon would have owned. But oh well, it's better than me falling off because I'm sick and not concentrating. Because you know how all those horse movies go. All the crappy ones that have no money that they just make it. And that like all the people they fall off of tragic incidents of being sick. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, form spring. And when I upload the video on my other YouTube, I'm gonna put it form spring. I'll put a link down there if you want to know it. Okay. That was really unattractive, so now you can keep that mental image in your mind. Bye, guys. How do I end this thing? Stupid webcam. End! Oh, missed it.